In this video, we're going to look at Amazon Elastic MapReduce or EMR in the AWS Big Data Ecosystem. We'll see what EMR is, what problem it solves, and how it fits with other analytics services. By the end of this video, you'll know when EMR is a good choice for large-scale data processing and how it connects to common AWS data sources. Amazon EMR is a managed big data processing platform on AWS. It lets you run distributed frameworks like Spark, Hive, Presto, and Hadoop on clusters without manually building or managing them. You feed EMR large volumes of data plus some processing logic, and it runs that work in parallel across many EC2 instances for you. EMR is designed for large-scale analytics and data engineering workloads where you need flexible control over the cluster and the tools you run. In real projects, EMR needs to handle many data shapes at serious scale. It can process structured data like rows and columns from transactional systems or data warehouses, or work with semi-structured formats such as JSON, CSV, and various log formats produced by apps or services. Or, on top of that, crunching fully unstructured data like raw application logs, chat transcripts, sensor readings, or IoT streams as well. All of this can be done at terabytes or even petabytes scale by splitting the work into smaller tasks and distributing them across the cluster. One of the other important things you should know about EMR is that EMR is tightly integrated with the rest of the AWS Analytics stack, with Amazon S3 serving as the most common source and destination and often acting as the central data lake for raw and processed data. Beyond S3, EMR can also read from and write to DynamoDB tables when you need large-scale transformations around NoSQL data. And it can be paired with Amazon Redshift whenever your warehouse requires extra processing power or custom pipelines. For streaming and near real-time use cases, EMR can even consume data from Amazon Kinesis streams rather than relying solely on static batch files. Altogether, this makes EMR a flexible engine that sits at the center of your wider AWS data platform. One of the biggest and other values that it brings is that it can run popular open source frameworks for you. Apache Spark is widely used for fast, general purposes data processing, analytics, and some machine learning workloads. Apache Hive and engines like Presto or Trino lets you run SQL-style queries over large datasets in S3 or other sources. Classic Hadoop-based tools are also available for organizations that still rely on that ecosystem. With these frameworks in place, EMR becomes a flexible engine for large-scale batch analytics, log processing, data preparation, and even heavy machine learning workloads. Alright, that's a wrap for this video on Amazon EMR, everyone. We looked at what EMR is, how it fits into AWS Big Data landscape, the types of data and workloads it handles, and how it connects to services like S3, DynamoDB, Redshift, and Kinesis. We also walked through the open source frameworks EMR runs and the key characteristics that makes it worth considering for large-scale batch and analytics job. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.